Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 2, Day 3. We're going to start by reviewing some words. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, like. 3, 2, 1, file. 3, 2, 1, swipe. 3, 2, 1, slide. 3, 2, 1, dimes. That E tickles the eye. 3, 2, 1, kites. 3, 2, 1, bites. So even though there's an S, we still have the super E. 3, 2, 1, hives. 3, 2, 1, brides. There's still our super E. Okay, let's blend this. Glide. What's the word? Glide. Wipe. Word? Wipe. I'll let you do this one. Word? Size. Let you do another one. Blend. Word? Shine. We'll do this one together. What's the word? Spine. Okay, let's look at some of our word letter combinations. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. Qu. 3, 2, 1. Sk. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Wh or w. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. Sp. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Sm. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. Soul. Okay, let's do some of these together. Bite. Word? Bite. Dine. Word? Dine. I've. Word? 5. I'd. Word? Hide. Your turn, we'll take turns. Word? Lime. Together. I'm. Word? Mine. Your turn. Word? Pipe. Together. Quite. Word? Quite. Like I'm quite happy. That means like I'm very. Okay, your turn. Word? Ripe. Together. Vine. Word? Vine. Your turn. Word? White or white, depending on how people say that. Together. While. Word? While. Now these they want you to do on your own. I'd like you to understand that these are compound words, okay? So the first one is in, and I'd like you to blend that on your own. Okay, what's the word? Inside. Okay, so the E tickles the I. Inside. Here's another compound word. That's 2 words put together to make 1 word. 3, 2, 1. Sunshine. 3, 2, 1. Piles. So even though there's that S at the end, first look at this part. Piles. Piles. Okay, here's our next one. 3, 2, 1. Rides. 3, 2, 1. Bikes. 3, 2, 1. Sides. So even though there's that S, don't forget the super E. It's not SIDS. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Lives. Now that's a tricky one because it can be lives too. He lives at this house. But right now it's lives. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Smiles. 3, 2, 1. Dimes. Whoops. 3, 2, 1. Gates. Okay, some more. 3, 2, 1. Bikes. 3, 2, 1. Skates. 3, 2, 1. Spikes. 3, 2, 1. Cakes. 3, 2, 1, slid. So don't think it's slide because there's no E. Okay. Oh, I see an E this time. 3, 2, 1, slides. 3, 2, 1, slim. 3, 2, 1, slimes. And last one for this part. 3, 2, 1, likes. Okay, so here's our sentence. Mike likes ripe red grapes. Let's read it together fluently. Mike likes ripe red grapes. So we have our capital and our finger space, our end mark. It's a period, so I'm just telling you something. Okay, let's look at our next sentence. We will skate and then ride bikes. Let's read it fluently. We will skate and then ride bikes. We have our capital and our end mark. If we changed it to an exclamation mark, it'd be bikes. We'd be excited. Okay, so the letter S at the end of dimes means that there is more than one dime. So a dime is a thing. It's a noun, person, place, or thing. And when I add the S, that means more than one. So I have 1 dime. I have 10 dimes. Listen closely to hear what is different. Dimes. Even though there's an S at the end, it says Z. Dimes. Sometimes words that end with S can say Z or S or as. Let's look at some more nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. So what's this word? Cape. Cape is like superheroes have a cape. So cape becomes capes. It's just a sound, okay? Mile becomes miles. Z. That has a Z sound. Base becomes bases. E-S, bases. Crate becomes crates. So what you'll notice is even though these are all nouns, person, place, or thing, they are changing the last sound. Now we don't write Z, or we don't ever write Z at the end of a word, but sometimes we say it. So cape, capes, mile, miles, base, bases, crate, crates. Okay. So let's look at our high frequency words. Green, 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 green. My new bike is green and white. Grow, 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 grow. The grass will grow. Oh, really quickly, sorry, let's go back. E says E because they're so happy to see each other. OW can say O or ow. So is growl a word? No, so it'd be grow. Okay. Okay, pretty, 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 pretty. This is a pretty dress. Should. When should I come to see you? Now this one's really tricky because OU says ow. But in this word, it's should. Okay. Together, 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 together. We can play together. Water, 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 water. Do you want to drink of water? Okay, here's our story for today. I'm going to let you say it first, then we'll read it together. That is a T, even though it doesn't look like a T. Together, a fine plant. A fine. If something's fine, that means like, that's fine, that's good. Okay, here's some words we'll see. 3, 2, 1, grow. 3, 2, 1, together. 3, 2, 1, said. 3, 2, 1, be. 3, 2, 1, water. 3, 2, 1, should. Okay, gonna let you go first. And let me put it down here. So let's look. Here you go. You go first. Together, a fine plant. Your turn. Okay, together. Let us make this bud grow together. said Jane. Yes, it will be fun, said Mike. I bet it will get big. Okay, so this is the bud. It's a little flower. Okay, your turn. Together. I can tip a water can, said Mike. Then it should get big. That is nice, said Plant. So the plant is talking. Okay, your turn. Together. This bud can chat, said Mike. Yes, I like it in the sun. It will make me smile and rise up, said Plant. So plant needs water and it needs sunlight. Okay, let's see what happens. Your turn. Okay, together. This plant is not a pine. It is not a vine, said Jane. Now I am a pretty pink plant with a green stem, said Plant. So she blossomed, she opened up, blossomed, bloomed. Okay, your turn. Okay, together. This plant did get big. It did take time, said Mike. I will not stop while I get sun and water, said Plant. Okay, so what happened is they helped it grow, and actually this is called a blossom. A blossom is the part that opens, it blooms. Okay, so that was a nice story. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Bye.